Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Mughal Empire. If interested, then listen. The Mughal Empire started from 1526 AD till 1857. The first ruler was Muhammad Zakir Babar. He ruled for only 4 years and he fought 4 battles, including Battle of Panipat. Babur was succeeded by Humayun, who ruled twice. Then came Akbar, Shah Jahan, and then came Aurangzeb. The biggest time period Mughal ruler ruled was Akbar and Aurangzeb. They ruled for 49 years. They constructed monuments which are still there in Indian territories. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.